What is up guys, Dan at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal can't transfer your money. So first you need to head over to the PayPal's website and then log in with your account. And after that, you just need to make sure that all the card or bank details that you have entered are correct and up to date. And if you have made any changes, you need to make sure that you make that changes in your PayPal account too. Like if you have updated your account details or changed your bank account, you just need to relink your debit or credit or bank account with PayPal again. And then you just need to make all the details up to date so that it causes no problems in transferring money. The next step is to go to the activity section, and after that you just need to see your current or recent payments. If any of the payment has not been paid, so you can just refresh it and pay it, and you can just give your PayPal a fresh start so that this will solve all your issues. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.